Feeling stressed or overwhelmed by the challenges of life? We all face moments of stress, uncertainty, and confusion in our daily lives. But what if there was a way to clear your mind, restore balance, and invite blessings into your life? There is. After every prayer, there's a powerful prayer, dua, from Surah Al-Waqi'ah, that has been a source of peace and protection for generations. If you're looking to unlock divine blessings and experience an increase in both your wealth and health, this prayer is your key. This isn't just any prayer, it's a timeless gift that connects you to divine protection, making your path smoother. Recite this prayer after your daily prayers, and you'll find it acts as a shield against negative energy and life's challenges. It's not just about asking for blessings. It's about creating an environment where peace, prosperity, and protection flow into your life. As you recite it daily, you open doors to divine guidance, growth, and success in all areas of life, personal, spiritual, and financial. It's about creating a habit that will transform your mindset. Each time you say this prayer with intention, you're setting the stage for a better tomorrow. Start today. Incorporate this powerful prayer into your daily routine and witness the difference it makes in your life. Share this with those who need to hear it. Let's all walk this path of peace together.